Suing the Richmond Redevelopment and Housing Authority.
The lawsuit alleges RRHA broke federal law by not providing all the options available to those facing financial hardship. Raven Brown on your side at 6 with both sides of the story.
Well, the lawsuit basically alleges that RRHA has been breaking federal law by not offering hardship exemptions to residents that need it. They are hoping with this lawsuit for policy changes so it doesn't happen in the future.
These are some of our residents with the least resources, our neighbors with the least resources, and they have the right under federal law to get a break on their rent.
2 RRHA residents, current and one former, filing a suit against RRHA claiming the Housing Authority repeatedly broke federal law by failing to offer a hardship exemption to residents and others in similar situations who experience a financial hardship.
From what we've seen, from what we've heard from RRHA, only one tenant out of the hundreds and hundreds that have been on minimum rent since 2019 has been granted that hardship exemption.
Legal Aid Justice Center attorney Michaela Ross says the lowest rent one could pay is $50. But if you're going through a hardship, federal law says RRHA has to give notice if you can qualify for a hardship exemption. And Ross says that hasn't happened in years.
So when people are going through a situation where they have no income, they've lost their source of income, that $50 a month is a lot, and it can mean putting someone at risk of eviction, of homelessness. It can mean people having to forego basic necessities.
In a statement, RRHA CEO Stephen Nesmith says RRHA is in the process of renewed lease enforcement, and these actions are likely creating issues and challenging to those who have not honored their responsibility for rental payments of leased property. He also says they haven't seen or been served the actual lawsuit, so is unable to comment, but takes any allegation of a violation of federal law very seriously. In Richmond, Raven Brown, 12 on your side.
Coming up.